Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy bag. So I got the bag that says contents, my life. Cute bag. I like it. And it has the pink inside. Or is it actually it's red? Alright, let's get started. If I could take this out. Okay. Well, I will not be putting that back into the bag. So I got the Urban Decay Revolution High Color Lip Gloss. Got Failbait and Bittersweet. And the pencil. This is the Urban Decay Glide On Lip Pencil, Ozone 24/7. So that's that. So that's cool. And these are the colors. I don't know if I showed you guys. So yeah, so that's cool. And of course, got the card Jet Setter. I hate Jet Setter. And then if you put share on Ipsy and MayGlamBag to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, you can win a year of subscription. Next off, I got the Chlorine eye patches. So here's one, and here's two. So I got two patches. So that's pretty cool. Get rid of the puffiness. Next off, I put in points, and I got the Luxie eyeshadow in number 181. It doesn't say what color, just tells you the number. But let's give this a swatch. And that's the color. Very, very pretty. I'll be using that definitely. Okay. Next I got the Oscar Blondie dry shampoo. So that's cool. Nice big bottle. Next, I got the Jessie Girl Pure Pigment Brown Sugar Eyeshadow. Not a lover of pigments. I get this all over the place. Yes, and that klutzy. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to open it, but if you guys can see, that's the color. It's a nice brown color. I guess something similar to this color, maybe. Now I can't close it. So if I can't close it, then I might spill this. And then the last but not least, got the Pixie Beauty Bronzer Summertime. Now I don't have this one. I have another Pixie bronzer. So this is very, very pretty. Let's give this a swatch. And that's the color. So it's a little bit lighter than the eyeshadow, but I think it's buildable. I think you could build it up. The other eyeshadow that I have is a little bit darker than this one, and it's shimmery. The other one I think is matte. And that's it for my Ipsy. All in all, I don't think it was a bad bag. The last 2 months I've been pretty happy Okay, guys, I'll see you in another video. Bye!